Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how you can use funnels and turn them into cute decorative pieces for the home. These are funnels from the Dollar Tree, but because of the shape, I will not be using these types. I'm going to be using this one that I got from Home Depot, and I'm using this particular one because of the shape. I'm going to be cutting off the parts of the funnel that I don't need with a pair of scissors. The elongated shape on this funnel is what made me use it, but you can also use the funnels at the Dollar Tree because it would still look pretty. I'm going to be using 5 funnels for this project.
If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos.
What I'm going to do next is attach screws to the funnels that I'll be needing for the design. Now I'm going to take it out and spray paint it gold. And I also spray painted the inside gold as well. I'm going to keep this aside and then take picture frames that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be attaching these frames to the funnels. I'll be using 2 picture frames for 1 funnel. I spray painted the back gold. What I will do now is hang the picture frame on the screws and hold it down in place with a strong adhesive. I'm gonna let that set for a bit. Now these are PVC pipes that I'll be using for this project. Couple pipes can also be used in place of the PVC pipes. I'll be using 3 different lengths for this design, and they will be 30 inches, 25 inches, and 20 inches long. I'll be cutting a round shape from a waste styrofoam board. I'll be attaching it with a strong adhesive to an old wooden tray. Now I'm going to mark where I want the pipes to be and insert them inside the styrofoam. When I was done with that, I took a mixture of cement and water and poured it by the sides and at the top. This was set after 3 hours because I used the cement that I got from Home Depot and it sets super fast. At the bottom of the tray, I added a felt pad so that it doesn't scratch the floor, and to also lift it up just a bit from the floor to make it easy to carry around. When I was done, I took this out and I spray painted it gold. I'll be using a strong adhesive here before inserting what I had earlier made. I'll be applying Mod Podge to the base, and I'm applying a thick layer of Mod Podge so that it will be able to hold the white little pebbles that I got from the Dollar Tree. After some few hours, I took off the excess pebbles and left what I had here and took it out and I spray painted the whole thing gold. For the floor lamp, you can leave the funnels and just have push lights inside them, or you can use Dollar Tree glass candle holders inside them and attach them with a strong adhesive. Whichever way you want to do it, it would all depend on where you want to display the floor lamp. I use remote control push lights to make it easy to turn all the lights on and off at the same time. You can also use flowers inside here if you don't want to use it as a floor lamp, and this is what it looks like with flowers. Other embellishments can be added to the design as well. There are other funnel DIY videos that I have made in the past, and I'm going to leave a link for those videos down in the description box below. I also have a cute Chanel table that's here, and the link for that is going to be down in the description box below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.